Hello everyone. Today we will create a fiscal uh, calendar. Uh, Basically, calendar is a start from January to December, but sometimes various companies or different clients have their customized fiscal years. For example, today we will create a calendar table, which starts from August as a first month and ends at July, which is 12th month. Let's do that. First of all, we will go to the modeling tab, new table. We'll use this formula here. I will explain what it says. We'll give it a number one because we already have a calendar table, so that's just a demonstration. Basically the start date is 2000 August 1 to end date 2030 July 31. Return add columns. Following columns will be added for these two variables: start date, end date. Year is basically date and formatted to year. It will extract the year portion. Month will extract the month portion, and month name will format the date into this month name. Fiscal year is if month date greater than or equal to August, which is our start of fiscal year, then fiscal year date plus one. So basically, what it says is if month is August or greater than August, then this year, like for example, if we are in 2024 and then the month is August or greater than August, then it will count as a start of 2025 fiscal year. Else, current year date. Okay. Second, it's fiscal month. If month date is greater than or equal to August or 8, month date minus 7 means like August minus is 8, then A8 minus 7, which will become 1. August will become a first month. And the month else month date plus 5. For example, if it's a January, then plus 5. So January become a sixth month of 2024, and it will be a fiscal year for 2024, uh, 6 months, right? And that's how this formula will work. Let's run it. It's I think our table is created. Let's show it in the visual table visual. So we have a table visual here, and then we will add a month, fiscal year. No, fiscal year. Basically, we were looking at the months, and then fiscal month, and let's not summarize these because there is no point of summarizing these. And then month name. If we start fiscal month sending order, we will have, you'll see first month is August in our fiscal year, and in a normal year it's eighth month, so on. So July is the 12th month, otherwise it's a seventh month. So that's how we create a calendar year, and it's just a brief introduction of how uh, how to meet the client requirements of customized calendar year, customized fiscal calendar year. I hope that will be useful. I will provide the code in the below. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day.